Logs can be very useful when it comes to debugging applications. Here I have a Rails stack deployed on AWS. This feature is not specific to Rails, and it can be used with any stack that you have, but Rails is a good example here. I have 4 servers and a load balancer. It's a normal Rails stack. I head to LiveLogs, and on the right hand side you'll see that the number of servers and list of servers that I have, and every log file that is under each one of them is going to be shown. I can add custom log files if I have any specific log files I want to include in LiveLogs, but by default, as it starts, we include all the standard log files of that particular framework for you. Now I can select all the log files, for example, on this particular server, and logs will start flowing in. I can follow them, and here's all the log files for this server. I can add more servers to it to see all the log files that are showing up for all of my stacks, servers. Now, these are not stored log files. These are live logs as and when they happen on every server, and we just redirect them to this user interface so you can follow them and you can search for different terms, for example, or words. And you can also add the context around each log file to see what happened before and after that. This is very useful in debugging. We think that there's a lot of other companies and a lot of other products that are very good at storage, long-term storage of log files and analysis and search of those. But we think LiveLogs are particularly useful when it comes to debugging purposes. You can just plug in and tap into what's happening on every server, and you can also connect them, the log files from different servers onto the same stream, so you can follow a request no matter which one of your servers it hits. This is a very useful tool for debugging, and I recommend you checking it out.